So hello and welcome. And in today's video, got shark teeth there. We're not doing shark teeth today. This is not a geology video. This is a coin video. As you can see, I've got coins up top. But while you're here, let's look at some shark teeth. And this one is an extinct sand shark, 50 million years old. It's in pretty good condition. Charcharius hope. These come from Morocco. Can easily pick them up on the internet. So I encourage you, if you are into coins, a lot of people are also into collecting other stuff, and one of those things I want to encourage you to collect is fossils, because they're very interesting. Anyway, got some new coins, and these new coins, I can't remember what I actually purchased, but I know I paid $50 for them. So we see if I actually actually 60. Let's see if that includes postage. We'll see what I got. Maybe I could have paid a bit too much, but I'm not too sure. But as you can see, they've actually changed the way they've packaged them. And this is from a guy I purchased from. Thank you very much. And this is the European coins. And okay, so I believe this one costs about, just say $35. So the most common ones, so we've got Ukrainian 25, Kopik. This is a current coin, so not really worth much. A former Czechoslovakian 1 korun, and its predecessor state, the Czech Republic. So this is a current 1 korun they issue for circulation. So this is aluminium bronze. This one's nickel plated steel. And this is a 95, 92, 95. So this country doesn't exist anymore. It's just two countries now. They're common coins. Then we have, okay, so we have the other countries. So we've got Czechoslovakia, we've got Czech Republic, and then we have Slovakia. 2 koruns they issued the euro in 2008 from memory, I think. So this one's probably worth about $1 or $2. And then we have a 5 koruns from Czech Republic. So this is a current coin, pretty much only good for spending in the Czech Republic. Okay, and you have the Czechoslovak coins. This is a Czech coin that took over from Czechoslovak coin. And the 5 design is actually the same. On the reverse, so we've got Czechoslovak Federal Republic, coat of arms of Slovakia, coat of arms of the Czech Republic. What do they call it? Czechia or something like that. Chechnya. So, nearly got a whole set. So we've got 18 koruns from Slovakia, 95, another Czechoslovak. So all those coins together, probably worth about $5-10. Okay, then we have a Czechoslovak coin from 1946. So this is pretty much uncirculated, worth about $4 or $5 these are. But check on eBay sold items. Another Slovakian coin, 2020 head out of. I think they used these to 2003 and then they demonetized them. And that's a Luxembourg. Okay, and the last coin from that country is a 1943. So this is a Bohemia. This is in pretty good condition. So in this condition, probably at least worth $5 to $10. Looks pretty much uncirculated. So Czechia, Moravia, Bohemia and Moravia, und Mähren. And you have the coat of arms of. Okay, let's have a look at. So just the Czech coat of arms. So the Czechoslovakia, the Czech line with the Slovakian shield on the top. So, at the end of the Second World War, these were equivalent in value, but these were demonetized and replaced with that coin. So that's actually quite nice. Then we have a Luxembourg 5 franc. And this one's from 1949, probably worth at least $5. Yeah, so it's okay. Then we have a Yugoslavia, so I don't have this coin, so I'll probably keep this one. This is a 5 dinara from 2002. And these were used up until, I think, 2006 when Montenegro declared independence. So it's actually quite nice. But these two coins are probably the highest value. See, this is a 10 mark, a little bit toned, from 1972. So worth roughly about $20 these sell for. Can't remember the mintage. And what's the mint? Yeah, this one's a bit toned. So can't find the mint on the actual coin. So we go on the side. Yeah, not too sure. And the last one is a Danish coin. So this is a 1 gulden. Quite nice. 1848. So this is probably worth at least $20 to $30. So this coin here will probably make it up for what I purchased it for, which is quite nice. Oh, we're running out of time. Slowly. Okay, so the next lot that we have, I need to empty my phone because, it's okay. So it looks like most of these are common coins. I'll go to the lowest value ones first. So here we have one that was an issue for circulation, 2002, for Somalia, 50 shilling. I don't use these coins in circulation. And another Somalian coin, 1 Somalo. So this one's worth at least $40 to $50, just like that. So that's the only reason why I got this coin. And I'm pretty sure I've got the whole set now. Just need to put them together. So that's my last remaining coin from that set. And another coin from, I think this is Somalia. Oh yeah, no, this is Djibouti. So this is the French coin from Djibouti, which is the current coin of Djibouti. So these are worth about $5 to $10 each. This one's the same. This one is first year of issue, 1977, worth about $5 to $10. So those two are pretty good. So this is a better lot. And another one from the Djibouti as well. It is this. So Afar are 1 people. And Isis. I'm not too sure what the Isis is. But Franchise Somalis. So Djibouti is 2 people, the Afars and the Somalis. They pretty much make up 50% of the population. This one's 1968. Don't know the mintage. But these hard coins are a bit harder to get, so that's why I got those. I'll go to the collection. A coin that I do have is the current 25 cents from Eritrea, 97. So they haven't issued coins for, 26 years. So they're just a frozen date. Oh, another coin from Somalia. 10 cent Tesimi. That goes with this coin series. So 1950. Oh, no, wrong coin series. That's 1950 to 1967. Sorry. So this is the English version of the Somali shilling. And the last coins that Somali issued was 1984. It's quite a long time ago. So that's worth probably a few dollars. Then another coin from Somalia. So this was a 5 shilling, not issued for circulation. They sell for about $20 to $30. Quite a nice coin. I do have this coin, so I didn't even know it was in this set. So this one's probably going to go back on the market. Then we have 2 Ethiopian 50 centimi. So this one's probably looks like it's from a set. Just the quality of the actual coin itself. And yeah, this one's a bit toned as well. So that's quite a nice coin. And here we have one from, I think it's 1944. Frozen date. This one's in better condition than the one I got. And that one's probably worth at least $20 to $30 from memory. And the last 2 coins, yeah, not really worth much, but you know, these are worth probably about, yeah, probably $2 to $3, probably about $5 for this. Tanzania 20 shilling, Kenya 5 shilling. Nice coins.